Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with hydrated skin and a light base so powder sets, not cakes. Scoop a small amount into the lid and swirl your brush or press with a puff. This controls coverage. Once the tool picks up product, tap off excess to avoid fallout and patchiness. Apply gently where shine concentrates, T-zone and under eyes, using sweeping motions or light dabbing for the puff. This first dusting locks makeup while keeping texture natural, so move deliberately and check coverage in daylight. You want to build coverage gradually. Thin layers prevent cakiness. After the first layer sets, target problem areas with a denser brush to add a little more product where needed. Then switch back to a fluffy brush to blend edges seamlessly into the skin. This softens lines and avoids harsh borders. Make sure to press powder gently under the eyes to set concealer without creasing. Once blended, run a light sweeping motion over the entire face to unify texture and finish. You complete the look with a final light sweep or a mist of setting spray to melt the powder into skin for a natural finish. If any area appears heavy, press a clean tissue over it and resweep very lightly to remove surface excess. If patchy or cakey, dampen a cosmetic sponge slightly and press or buff the area to blend and lift visible buildup. For persistent problems, cleanse and restart with less product. Learning the right amount is the key to consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.